What's up, YouTube? It's your boy, the Poke Cheddar, coming back at you with another video. Sorry it's been late. It's been, I don't know, just I haven't uploaded in a month, probably past a month. But I figured, since I got pretty much the rest of the year off. um, I'll be uploading a little bit more than I have, so I can try and reach that goal of 100 subscribers by the end. Actually, I want to do it by the end of the year. So today and tomorrow and probably Wednesday, if I can get a chance, for sure. We're going to be doing just a week of Charizard, because why not? So today we're going to start off with the Phantasmal FLames Mega Evolution ETB, and as I open this, I will, I guess, fill y'all in. Ooh, I do not like to zoom up on the camera, so let's see if, nope, can't fix it. There we go. But I will update y'all on just everything that's been going on with my life, I guess. So, but let's focus on this. So, I haven't opened one of these yet. This is that one that I bought on release day, release week, or whatever. Like I said, I love having the ETBs. So, I guess let's go through the player's guide and real quick. I mean, I know y'all have seen the last video that I've uploaded with the 36 packs booster box. So everybody wants that Mega Charizard right there, that one, and either that one too. But I don't know. No, I haven't gotten any of them. Oh, it's a really small set with everything in it. Dang. Oh, what? 5 SIRs. So I pulled this one. So I need 4 more to go. Let's see if we can do it. Alright, let's open this up. Got the coin in there. ETBs come with sleeves, which I like that. I like that dark blue, darkish thing. So if I get a the SIR Charizard, that's where it's going to be. We got the Sharkadet promo, so I will open that later and put it in a sleeve. Got a buttload of energy cards that I won't ever use. Maybe, I don't know. I still need to figure that out. Learn how to play. But I mean, we got a total of 9 packs. So let's get the ripping. We got Boltund, Sandile, Charmander, Bronzor, Linowen, Honchkrow, Blowtorch, Seviper, Meloline, Meowpom, Energy, Code Card. So here's your code card, so you don't have to wait. Got a Ghastly, Togedemaru, Palmy, Sharkadet, Gliscor, that guy, Reverse Hollow Moltres, Reverse Hollow, Sacred Charm, Mega Sharpedo, and Energy. Yeah. Just sorry I haven't uploaded in a while. No, I've said that before, but just been busy with work and other things that I just really haven't gotten a chance to do anything. I was kind of waiting on stuff like the Charizard UPC that I have that I'm going to open. I probably wouldn't open it if it didn't have. Actually, no, I would have opened it regardless, but you'll see in another video. It has a rip on it, and so it came like that. I'm okay with that because I'm going to rip it anyways. So Rotom, wire code card, there. So I haven't really opened much Phantasmal FLames besides that 36 pack and the booster box, which I guess I could do that today too. Wasn't thinking about it, but I do have one. The booster bundle, sorry, not a box. But I know whenever I went to a local card shop, I could have got the booster display box for like 180 bucks that they were selling, or I could have gotten the what I got was an ETB and the booster bundle. So that's what I got because I didn't get. I already had the booster box before, and I like opening ETBs. So, I don't know if you can see it back there, but I did get this torch, Minecraft torch. I know it's not Pokemon, but I think it's pretty cool. My sister got it for me from the TikTok shop, which I don't have TikTok, but it is pretty cool. Not gonna lie. I guess I'll just put it like that. I don't know what I was thinking, but I had a brain fart just a second ago. Still, man, I really want that ice cream. Oh, we got a Flygon illustration rare. Alright, and a Vileplume and normal energy card. Let's see. Camera. Put it in these nice Charizard sleeves. There we go. So first hit of the day. Let's go. Nothing. Last pack of the ETB, and we will get the booster bundle because I have 11 minutes into this video. We can do more. Especially if this, oh, nope. I was about to say if this isn't the Charizard. So, yep, I'm opted into opening 6 more packs. So, let's get into it. I'm gonna just push these to the side real quick and eventually get myself a binder for Mega Evolutions and Phantasmal Flames. Alright. Booster bundle. Why are you being so hard to open, my guy? Okay, 6 packs. Let's let them rip, Chip. Nothing. Actually, yeah, I can just do that. Oh, Mega Charizard, but not the one that I want. Let's see if that one brings it with this pack. Whoop, whoop. Alright. Seriously. Another one. Probably had like 3 of them the last time I opened some up. Hopefully that's not the only hit. And I think it is. But yeah. So if y'all have been ripping this set, how are you doing on it? let me know down in the comments. Because, oh, don't have you, my guy. That looks clean. Like light blue, kind of baby blue, and I like green and blue. That's like my two favorite colors, and that looks good. Nice old icy color. Napoleon. That's a hit. No, I don't have you. And nothing. So, sorry, I didn't talk much or anything. I'm getting back into the groove of things. So, but thank y'all for watching today's video. Stay tuned. Tomorrow we'll have another one uploaded. I don't know when. I don't even know when I'm going to upload this one. But it is going to be today. So thank y'all for watching. Please subscribe so I can open up 100 packs of prismatic evolutions by the end of the year. Love y'all. Peace. Deuces.